on both the assembly of the battery and the assembly of the car itself.
The Volkswagen Board of Directors held their quarterly meeting at the brand new Volkswagen Vehicle Assembly Plant in Chattanooga, Tennessee, to also witness the first series of production ID4 all-electric long-range SUVs come off of the assembly line.
The ID4, which is our first global real bestseller electric vehicle. It means a lot, localizing it, industrializing it, local suppliers, creating jobs on the ground. It will be our halo model to bring electrification to the American consumer.
Built on Volkswagen's MEB electric vehicle architecture, the modular electric drive matrix marries the strength of a purpose-built EV with performance, packaging, and value, features that have marked the brand for decades. The ID4 is currently produced in Germany and China, and now comes off the line assembled in the United States. The big news to come from the Board of Directors meeting was the announcement that Volkswagen is creating a separate electric automotive company called Scout. Scott Keogh, President and CEO of Volkswagen Group of America, has been appointed President and CEO of Scout, and he is excited to start work on designing, developing, and manufacturing action-focused SUVs and pickup trucks in the years to come.
For me, it's a chance of a lifetime. You have the power of the group and all the scaling effects, yet you can revitalize this iconic American brand, attack these profit pools of pickup trucks. As an American businessman, you can't ask for anything else. Startup, American, all electric.
Building on the EV momentum, the Global Volkswagen Group plans to roll out the broadest electrified portfolio in the North American market. By the decade's end, Volkswagen Group brands aim to offer more than 25 battery electric vehicles to American consumers. It has not been decided just yet where the new Scout line will be manufactured, nor how many jobs will be added to the workforce.
I think it's pretty exciting. Separate companies, it's a traditional brand, very American.
And the aim is to sell up to 250,000 Scout branded vehicles annually in the U.S.
We think we bring a car to the marketplace by 26. We want to show a concept car by next year, 23, so we got some sprinting to do. I love it.
This is Lauren Conlin.